everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick and easy summer makeup tutorial, and I know that a lot of people don't really make these videos anymore, but I actually recently made a everyday makeup tutorial. I don't really do that every day because I don't wear makeup that often, especially for school, but I'm making a quick and easy makeup tutorial today for any of you who want to use this for like all year round, or for school, or for summer especially. But I decided to make this makeup tutorial because this is what I normally do every day. So yeah, so before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers and I cannot wait to reach 1,000. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow me on all my social medias if you haven't already, which they will be down below and on the screen here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. Tie my hair up right now. First thing that I do before makeup, I use the Glossier Priming Moisturizer, which you've probably seen like in every video I filmed lately. So this is what I use. I made my own mix of I made my own tinted moisturizer, I think that's what I can call. It has my Marc Jacobs foundation, my Maybelline Better Skin foundation as well, and I have my Cetaphil no fragrance sensitive skin moisturizer. So oh, and I also have the Maybelline Baby Skin primer on it, well, mixed into it. Next, I go in with the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer, and this is my all-time favorite concealer. Just a little bit. That. Then blend it out with the sponge. Then I'm going in with my CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder. So this is what I use in most videos as well. This is not really mattifying, to be honest. It just gives me more of a silky, satiny look. This e.l.f. brush is so old. I've had it for like 4 or 5 years already, and it still works. Like, it looks like I just bought it. I miss the old collection, which was the white. So I'm just patting that all over my face. I don't like to use a lot of powder just because I feel like that makes me look cakey, and then I feel like it also makes my makeup more easily to like more prone to like sliding onto my clothes or staining anything. If you want to look tan, use a bronzer. I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer sample, and this is what I use all the time if I'm not using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette or my Kat Von D contour palette. And it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. Let's get the forehead. So this is what I normally do. Just take the bronzer, pat it a little bit. And I'm going to use my mirror. And then just go like this. I just like line the sides of my nose. I know it may not look like bronze on camera, but because of the light is washing me out. So then you need to look awake, so I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party, and this is what I got for free for my birthday from Sephora. I have this old Forever 21 brush and I still use it. Like, I love it. It works really great with my blushes. Like, it does not apply a lot or too little. Like, it picks up a lot of product, like a very good amount. And that's what I like, because my other blush brushes pick up so much product that I look like a freaking clown after, and I hate that. And just put on some blush on your nose a little bit. Just brush off the excess onto your nose. make it look like got a little bit of sunburn and tan. Now, for the highlight, because you need to look glowy, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. That's a universal like highlight. It works really good, and I feel like it's really great with every skin tone, because it's like a rose gold, but at the same time it's like a beige and cream.
Meanwhile, across town in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner.
Okay, so now I'm going in with the eyebrows, and I'm using my L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill brush and pencil. I don't like pomade. I really am a fan of pencils. I'm just gonna fill them in lightly because I really hate it when I put so much, because then my eyebrows look so weird and gross.
It's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
I brushed them up. If I don't use like a pencil like this, I would probably use my Milani Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel. But for today, I decided to do the pencil. I'm gonna clean up with concealer. I take it on the back of my hand. I only take a little bit. I'm using a paintbrush, by the way. I don't have like an actual good brow brush, so I'm gonna clean this up. So that's how I have my eyebrows right now. So yeah, I really like to highlight the bottom, the brow bone. I don't really know why, but I just really don't like to highlight that part. So yeah. Next is mascara. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is the one that I've been using for a while now, and I'm obsessed with it. Like, literally the brush is the same thing as Too Faced. Like, it literally is. It's so much cheaper. I'm gonna go in with my mascara and I'm gonna apply it.
Town in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner.
And for last, I'm going to be using a light lip gloss, and that is from Victoria's Secret. It is the Beauty Brush lip gloss in the shade Indulgence. It's like a champagne color. It's iridescent.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well,
and it has little pieces of glitter, so that's what I like. You have an extra like pop of highlight or anything like that on your lips because of that lip gloss, or if you want like a light lip gloss, and then it'll look so good with this makeup. That's basically it for the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and join our family, even though I don't know what our family name is yet, but yeah, just subscribe down below. But just click on a button, like, come on, it's that easy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.